I think we were both reading a little weakness. You were longing Yang, and then I saw some weakness hitting the tech sector, especially. I had an alert come out from my alert scanner at Pivot Alert Bot, and it came out, and I noticed that. So I went short here on INTC, which really freaked me out, actually, because... All right, hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Thor Young, I'm a moderator with Bear Bull Traders. I got the Prophet of Profit, Brian Pesum, with me today, and we're going to be doing a quick recap for you. Our boss Andrew is out of office, living the dream, doing what he does, and while he's doing that, we're going to keep him covered. Brian, how you doing, brother? How was your morning?
Good, very good. Got up usual, and then PLRX was popping up on the screen, and it was making a big move on some news. Not sure what the news was, but it looked really strong, so I just jumped in. I actually took a position in the pre-market. So yeah, I got a really good move on it, held it through one halt, and then opened up, and I just got out of the rest of it. Had a second halt and went a little higher, but just seems to have run out of steam here now. So that was one good trade, and yeah, and then the Chinese stocks were selling off, so I traded a little Yang, which is ETF that shorts the China stocks, and I got a bit of a move on that one. And so that was pretty much my day, other than some failed lucid trades, but tight stop, kept my loss to minimum here. So
Nice.
That was it.
Absolutely. Well, I kind of kept my day simple as well. I think we were both reading a little weakness. You were longing Yang, and then I saw some weakness hitting the tech sector, especially. I had an alert come out from my alert scanner at Pivot Alert Bot, and it came out, and I noticed that. So I went short here on INTC, which really freaked me out, actually, because when I right after I shorted it, the entire Qs and SPY both rallied right there. So I actually thought I was going to get squeezed out, and I had made the wrong decision. But fortunately, INTC decided not to go with it, and it hung in the right range. I got beautiful breakdown, got some really nice partials on it. First one almost 3-1, and then a little bit before. And I tried an add here under S6 for the continuation of this breakdown. My stop was the daily level for the average in, and almost took a stop there. So we're still holding. We'll see if we're almost back to my add point now. So fingers crossed, maybe this one does work out. But that's it. One and done for me otherwise. I am not taking any more, getting into any more trades, because I don't want to ruin what has been just a great Monday. So it looks like both of us kind of kept it simple today, and coming out with a pretty nice little bit of P&L, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yep. No, it was an okay day. Just yeah. A little bit of, I was surprised how much we sold at the open, but how much selling pressure just happened right at the open. But I suspect, yeah, as you mentioned earlier, we had a couple of good days, so maybe some bit of profit taking, and yeah, so.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, that
We'll
is one
see
thing we
what
were kind of dialed
happens.
in on, right? We had noticed that we had this isolated pivot set up back last month, and then this month we were right there, but we're actually opening right at the bottom. And if we had set that, once we made a low below yesterday's low, I think things really started to get interesting. And it looks like we're still trying to sell off a little bit more now. So maybe some good news for my INT position after all. Well, everybody, that'll be the roll for us. I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Andrew will be out all week, so I'll be running most of the recaps this morning with the Prophet of Profit. The good news is when Brian and I trade together, we always make money. So it's kind of crazy, but we do, statistically proven. So I hope everyone has a great trading day. Look forward to trading with you all week, brother.
All right. Yeah, look forward to it.
All right, have a great one,
Cheers.
everyone.
Have a good day, everybody. Cheers.